Ginni Jinni. Kids TV.
Hello kids, learn about fruits and their meaning. So get started the video. Apple. This is apple. Apple means save. Tasty apples. Mango. This is mango. Mango means juicy mangoes. Banana. This is banana. Banana means kela. Yummy bananas. Watermelon. This is watermelon. Watermelon means tarbooj. Juicy watermelons. Pineapple. This is pineapple. Pineapple means ananas. Yummy pineapples. Guavas. This is guava. Guava means amrood. Healthy guavas. Pomegranate. This is pomegranates. Pomegranates means anar. Red juicy pomegranate. Grapes. This is grapes. Grapes means angur. Sweet grapes. Orange. This is orange. Orange means santra. Wow! Orange juice. Strawberry. This is a strawberry. It means strawberry. Wow! Tasty strawberries.
Fruits Roundup.
Now repeat fruits again faster. Apple. Mango. Banana. Watermelon. Pineapple. Guavas. Pomegranate. Grapes. Orange. Strawberry. Now repeat again faster. Apple. Mango. Banana. Watermelon. Pineapple. Guavas. Pomegranate. Grapes. Orange. Strawberry.
Thank you for watching video. Subscribe now.